Hi everyone, welcome back to another MOC. Today is a unique day, which is Friday the 13th. Some of the characters are going to talk about their experience with Friday the 13th. Good morning, Olivia, Emma, and Emily. Good morning, Andrea and Stephanie. Can we go to the treehouse, please? Sure. Hi, Ava, Jordan, and Corona. Hi, girls. We're going to talk about Friday the 13th. What happened on the last Friday the 13th? The last Friday the 13th was in October, and it was scary because it was in the month of Halloween. I know, right? I remember that. Well, it's lucky that this Friday the 13th is not in October. Yeah, it'll be like a regular day. Thank you for watching this MOC. Please help me share Zachary's Lego Club with everyone you know so that they could subscribe. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video.